In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely log in to your Hostinger HPanel and enable HTTPS on your website, ensuring a safer browsing experience for your visitors. Let's dive right in and make the web a bit more secure step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger login page. Here, you're going to enter your credentials to access your HPanel. If you haven't logged in before, make sure you have your Hostinger account details at hand. Having them easily accessible will save you time and prevent any hassle during the login process. Once you've entered your email and password, simply click that login button and you'll be greeted with the well-organized, user-friendly Hostinger HPanel dashboard. Now that we are inside HPanel, our next mission is to navigate to the SSL settings. You can find the SSL configurations quite easily under the website section of the dashboard. The SSL settings are crucial for securing your website, so go ahead and click on that to explore the options available to you. Once you are in the SSL settings, you might notice several options, but today, our focus is on enabling Force HTTPS. This option is essential if you want all your website traffic to be encrypted and secure, as it reroutes any visitors from an unsecured HTTP connection to a more secure HTTPS one automatically. Enabling Force HTTPS is usually straightforward. Look for a toggle or checkbox next to the Force HTTPS or a similar feature. Click to enable it, ensuring that all of your traffic is securely redirected from now on. Having made these adjustments, let's move on to save these changes. Saving is a critical step because without doing so, none of the changes you just configured will take effect. Usually, there's an obvious Save Changes button at the bottom or top of the section you're working in. Click on this button to confirm and apply your new settings. Finally, once you've saved your changes, you can move on to testing your website. Testing is an essential part of this process as it verifies that all HTTP traffic is indeed being redirected to HTTPS successfully. Open a new tab in your browser and type in your website URL, starting with HTTP to see if it automatically redirects to HTTPS. If everything is set up correctly, your site should load securely with HTTPS, indicated by a padlock icon in the address bar. By following these steps, you've enhanced the security of your website significantly. Not only does this provide peace of mind for both you and your visitors, but it also boosts your site's credibility and ranking in search engines. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. Don't forget to check back for more tips on effectively managing your website.